Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix when one earbud is not working. So, you need to at first take this broken one out of the case. Let's assume that mine broken is the right one. Once you do that, you need to take a look at the inside of this hole. You can use a flashlight. Here, if you see, especially here in this place, any debris and in this place, you need to clean it. I actually recommend cotton swabs with ethyl alcohol or some isopropyl alcohol inside, but of course not too much, but you need to clean it. Sometimes it may be just the connectors and your earbuds, especially this one may be just discharged and it doesn't want to be turned on. You can't do a factory reset because this one doesn't work. I mean, you can, but I don't really think that it will be successful. So you know what I mean. Apart from that, what you can do is to try charging your earbuds up to 100%. So plug the cable inside right here in the charging cable, and charge your earbuds for 2 hours. I know that full charge takes around 60 minutes, but try to charge them, fully, and so some period of time after. This should make them working. If it won't make them working, you need to contact the device support to fix this, because there is nothing more we can actually do. Goodbye.